Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google search tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to Google search any image by a different color of your choice in Google search. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Google search, and you want to make sure you come to the top right here. Click on images, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and come to search right here and type in whatever type of image you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for fencer, and hit enter, and you have all the results right here. Okay, now how can we filter by color? Then come to the top right here, click on tools, color, then you have different color right here. Let's say I'm looking for red fencer. Click on red. In a few seconds, you have everything, all the result right here is going to be red. And this is one of the uniquely way to search in Google. Now we can decide to switch from red to another color of our choice. Come to the tool right here, and then go to by color. We can decide to check on blue. Boom, and you have them all right here in blue color. We can go back to tool right here, color. We can decide to check on another color. Let's go ahead and check on black color. Then you have them all right here. You can use this method to check or find any types of image in different color in Google search. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.